Tennessee's months-long drought and a simmering wildfire collided on November 28th when hurricane-forced winds sent unpredictable fires racing through the Gatlinburg area and beyond. The flames left large swaths of one of the nation's most popular tourist destinations unrecognizable. Governor Bill Haslam called it the worst fire the state had seen in a century. These 360-degree images show what is left of homes, cars, and businesses. The fire's destructive path ravaged almost 18,000 acres. Along the way, the wildfires killed at least 14 people, damaged or destroyed about 1,400 businesses, and displaced more than 14,000 residents and visitors. Houses were leveled, businesses were cratered, and generations of memories were buried under ash and soot. This scene brings us face to face with the fire's destructive power. Here, we see the inside of a vehicle that was gutted by the flames. The power of the wind pushed the fire down unpredictable paths. In some parts of Gatlinburg, businesses on one side of the street were destroyed, while the other side escaped unscathed. In the worst-hit areas, houses essentially vanished. The only things left were charred foundations and scraps of metal. There is no clear blueprint for what lies ahead, but disaster recovery experts warn that it will not be an easy or brief process. And it will be one that requires an unprecedented level of coordination, communication, and resources.